Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Amazon employee shows up for work and all hell breaks loose by police on scene.
January 23rd, 2025, the Dayton International Airport Police Department was called to the scene to the Amazon warehouse for reports of a potential trespass with an employee. The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
Man, y'all won't believe this shit.
Okay. All right, well, I'm just going to shadow you and...
All right, come on. 3, 2, 1.
On January 23rd, 2025, the Dayton International Airport Police Department was called to the scene to the Amazon warehouse for reports of a potential trespass with an employee. The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
She was not scheduled.
Okay.
So,
All right, well, I'm just going to shadow you until you figure out where she's at. Is that okay?
yeah.
All right.
Hey, Alex, what is your location? Copy that. I am heading your way. Caller?
Y'all not gonna believe this shit.
How long has she been employed here?
She was a seasonal hire, so I want to say
November,
maybe November.
You can cancel checks. I'm good.
This finna be some
I'm sorry,
funny
how long
shit.
has she been?
Since about November.
Okay. Is she still seasonal?
Yes, she's right here with us. Boss is the
Walking toward us?
Put up your cart.
What?
Officer Sachs is here to escort you off the building.
I have the proof that I'm supposed to be here right now.
Diamond.
Show you proof. Why would I get escorted off? if I have
Diamond,
proof?
because we just had this conversation, remember? I asked you to nicely come off the floor and you refused.
Her name Diamond. That tells me everything I need to know.
I said, do I need to call the police? And you said, I'm a grown woman. And do what I need to do. So let's stop for a second. So you're going to help me escort you off of the premise.
What would I be escorted off?
Because you are not scheduled and you are refusing to leave.
I have a picture that I'm scheduled for.
Diamond, you do not. I explained to you that was yesterday's shift.
Wait. You gotta be a dumb motherfucker to be coming on your day off, bro. I ain't never went to work when I ain't supposed to be there. Especially if they told me I ain't gotta be there. See ya.
No, I
Please put away your car.
Do you want to see the proof that I'm supposed to be here right now?
No, ma'am.
He don't give a fuck.
I'm not on schedule. Like if I wasn't on schedule,
Diamond, I'm not going to continue having this conversation with you. I explained to you in detail. I showed you
I
your
just
schedule.
showed you the
I
proof.
showed you the proof that you were not here.
I'm supposed
I
to.
understand it's a misunderstanding, but you are being insubordinate in my ask to have you leave the site.
How am I being insubordinate?
Because I have asked you multiple times to clock out and go
I
home.
just told you I have proof.
I ain't gonna lie, that manager, she is a little nasty. You can tell she's nasty with the employees.
And I
I'm not having an argument with you. Officer Sachs is going to help me escort you.
Ma'am, if you can just gather up your stuff and leave.
No, I just need your device and your badge, please.
I think maybe we can go.
Diamond, I don't need to see your proof.
Ma'am,
I'm about to show her. Then I have.
I don't think she give a you wasting your time.
We've gone through this already.
I understand. So is there something we can do for you?
Alex is helping me with the situation. He had the conversation with me, asking her to leave the site.
What is she looking for?
Ma'am, how much longer will it be?
I'm on the schedule.
As long as it takes for you not to arrest me.
I don't know. I'm looking for
Are you actually logging into your app or are you showing us a screenshot? Okay. So can we go ahead and step out off the floor, please?
Hey, look at school. He about to be messy.
Respectfully, I've given you multiple seconds. Can we please step
Ma'am?
off the floor?
Can we just go to the lunchroom? That's not leaving the building, but it's in the lunchroom. That way we can all hear better, okay? Everyone just walk this way, please.
Finally, some leadway. Y'all not gonna believe this. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. This finna be funny at the end.
Thank you.
We gonna be doing some movie quotes. I hope y'all know the movies. Damn, they got a big ass lunchroom. Maybe I should have worked for Amazon instead of IKEA. IKEA shit was small.
Okay, ma'am. How much longer is this going to take?
I already told you.
So have you found your schedule?
Hell no. I think she's just trying to buy out time, which I
Okay,
think.
ma'am, either you found it or you can't find it. Are you?
I'm not leaving because I'm supposed to actually be here today.
Well, I'm giving you an opportunity to show me this. How long is it going to take? Because I cannot wait all day.
The fact that she said she ain't leaving is crazy. Like,
Yeah.
who do you think you are?
I'm just looking.
I'm not going to wait all day, ma'am.
Look, that
What are
manager
you looking at?
annoyed.
In my schedule.
And are you supposed to be here today?
Yes.
Where does it say that?
What is it saying that, baby? Come on now, you about to piss me off.
We do have the schedule pulled up where it shows that she's not scheduled.
Can you show me, please? Because she's not cooperating.
Yep, so that's where you can verify the name, return the code ID.
I'm sorry, his computer's very tiny.
Correct. And then here's her actual schedule.
At least he got one. Shit.
Schedule on Wednesday the 27th. That's what
I asked earlier, has non-trespassing been authorized?
I have been authorized to get you on site. I can call and verify.
She just over there scrolling. She ain't got no real proof, y'all.
Ma'am, are you making any progress?
Imagine you've in a restroom trying to get you a little nap in, and the manager right there trying to get this lady rested.
I'm looking right now.
Ma'am, you've told me that several times. I asked if you're making progress.
She ain't did shit.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Yes. She said I have the authorization. You have the authorization to trespass.
Okay, can you say that in a definitive that you want to trespass?
Yes.
Can I have your attention?
Yes.
Okay, here's the situation. You either leave or they're trespassing you. And if you don't leave
I
then,
don't even understand what that means.
it means you have to leave.
I'm
You do not
supposed
have a
to be on
choice.
the premises.
No.
I'm
If they
supposed to be.
trespass you, you have to leave. If you do not leave,
I thought that
She probably a little slow.
was if I'm not on the schedule. If I'm actually on
the schedule has nothing to do with it.
Yes, it do.
Ma'am,
What am I trespass for? If I'm not bothering nobody.
they
I'm
have
just doing
told you to leave for the day.
But I'm supposed to be on the schedule. So as
That
soon
is
as
irrelevant.
my schedule is about to be up.
That is
immediately,
irrelevant.
So I will leave as soon as it's over.
That is irrelevant. You need to leave.
I
If
want
you to
to see the schedule.
You can be arrested
I want to see the schedule she thinks she on, cause I'm lost.
for trespassing
How can I be arrested for trespassing? when-
because I will arrest you.
Pretty much. That's how that goes. Oh, she pissing me off.
So are you going to leave or not? Ma'am? Yes or no? Are you going to leave?
I cannot stand when I'm standing in front of somebody and I'm talking to them and they just ignore me. Ah, the greatest way to get under my skin.
voluntarily, or are you going to be arrested for trespassing?
How am I be arrested when I'm on the schedule? That doesn't make
Whether
sense.
you're on the schedule or not is irrelevant. to me.
How am I being trusted? That's not making sense. What am I
Last
being-
time I'm asking.
What am I being trusted?
Last time I'm asking, ma'am.
What am I?
Are you going to leave
I'm just
voluntarily
asking-
or not?
I'm asking you, what am I being trusted?
You're under arrest for trespassing.
Sir,
Ma'am,
get off of me. I'm not doing it.
you are under arrest for
You
trespassing.
are not. No.
Yes.
Why am I trespassing? Because I'm supposed to be on the
They've
property.
said you need to leave.
Sir, I'm walking away.
Nah, it's too late for that.
What are you doing? I'm not doing anything to you, sir. I'm not. I'm just on the front. Oh my
Oh.
God. Are you serious?
Yes.
What
Put the
are
phone
you-
down. Put the phone down.
No.
Then turn over.
For what?
You are under arrest.
I'm on the schedule.
You are under arrest for
This gotta be super embarrassing. You gotta be a stupid mother to get fired on your day off.
trespassing
I'm
and
on-
not complying.
Sir, I'm on the schedule. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You
You're
say-
under arrest for trespassing.
I'm not doing anything, sir. I'm not touching you. I'm not yelling. What are you doing?
You're
That don't
under
mean
arrest for
nothing.
trespassing.
How am I? I'm about to. I'll leave. I'll leave. I'm on the schedule,
late.
sir.
Nope, they'd asked you too many times.
You're arresting me for being on the schedule. Can you take this phone?
I ain't gonna lie to you. Shit, my job used to ask me all the time, "You want to come in?" I'd be like, "No, I got car issues. I gotta take my daughter to the doctor." Hell no, no, and no. So do you think I'm supposed to be there when I ain't even on the schedule? Shh. No.
Put your arm behind your back.
You're arresting me for what again?
Trespassing.
This got to be super embarrassing.
You were asked multiple times to leave.
How are you gonna put me in jail for trespassing? I wasn't in it.
Cause they actually somebody don't under she maybe English ain't her first language because they done asked you to leave about 1,000,000 times.
I'm being trespassed for being on the schedule.
Yes.
I'm being trespassed for being on the schedule. That's crazy. What am I doing? I'm on the schedule. I'm on the schedule for today, and I'm being trespassed. You just dropped me to the ground.
I have
and I'm
one in
not being
custody.
aggressive. I'm not being aggressive.
Is there backup
or I'm not
available?
You wasn't listening either, stupid.
doing anything. Just say you wanted to take my
Right,
phone.
one in custody. What was the question?
Just say you wanted to
Do you have a
take my
second
phone.
unit available?
Please bring the second unit, because I need to speak to your supervisor.
I will request one control unit anyway.
That would have been funny if he is the supervisor.
You can,
Is this? Can you please come and take it?
What are we on?
Thanks.
what am I being trespass for again?
Amazon.
For being on the schedule, right?
Turn into detention
I'm
in
being
custody.
trespassed for being on the schedule, right?
Yeah.
522K.
Because it's not
I'll
making
cover
sense.
checkpoint.
Like, I'm not
I'm in the
being
concourse.
mean,
There
aggressive.
you
I'm
go.
not bothering anybody. Like, I don't understand.
Can you put somebody at the door
I still have to grab a cruiser.
for when an officer shows up, they can get let in?
What am I going to jail for again? I'm going to jail for being on the schedule.
No, ma'am.
It's going to be the same amount of time.
You were told that you were not working today and you were to leave. You refused to leave despite multiple requests. A trespass was issued, you ignored it. You were under arrest for violation of trespass.
Hello.
10-12.
I'm on the schedule. How am I being trespassed for working? I have a badge.
She gotta be on something because she keep repeating herself over and over again like that's gonna get her out of this situation. He about to go tell everybody.
How you going to trespass somebody who has a badge? Can I call my mom?
No,
I cannot call my mom.
no.
And I'm supposed to be here.
You can call her after things have been worked out.
What needs to be worked out? I'm on the schedule.
You going to jail, getting you out of the county.
You're putting me out for being on the schedule. How you going to trespass somebody?
Hey, Mitch.
What's going on? This gentleman was asking if we were able to provide the information as well, like home.
A copy of the personal information she's provided Amazon. And then I'll be needing a statement from you. How late do you work today? For a couple hours?
Till 1:30, yeah.
Okay.
I can go get that from my computer, and then I just hit a report number for my loss prevention team.
Okay.
So let me grab my computer and I'll be
Okay.
right back with the info.
We're just refusing to get up?
Pretty
Or
much.
are we just, what are we?
She's under arrest for trespass.
Okay.
She's not supposed to be here today. She's refusing to leave the floor.
Okay.
Refused to leave.
Perfect.
So at this point, I was just waiting for backup so I can go through her purse to try and find an ID.
Okay.
Do you have a Miranda card on you?
I do not. We'll
We'll take care of it in the car.
Put her in the car.
Yep.
Dispatch.
They gonna have to drag out.
EWS is completed.
Just do me a favor, roll over towards this knee and place it on the ground. It'll help you get up.
20 is clear. Just information. I'll be en route to that. Unlike that Tuskegee gate.
Sir, can I ask you to hold these items, these personal items? Is that glove hers or? Well, we will need the items.
Okay. Do you want me
Yeah.
to just hold
Imagine getting this happening to you, and now you can't work no warehouse job because you can't listen.
on?
20 to dispatch. Just information for the log. One was turned away. One
So
was
we
allowed
provide
to
them.
gain
We
entry.
provide these cards for them to
Or
work.
Okay, does she have a second
driving
one?
this vehicle and having that search.
It looks like she's wearing it.
Okay,
So I'd say she can take it. Like it's.
we can get it. There you go. And then if you could hand me her personal items. Yep.
I still lost. This lady really lost her job and her freedom on her day off.
Okay, ma'am. If you can stand over here, do not enter the vehicle yet.
I'm gonna take everything out of your pockets here for you.
So now you ain't got no job, you ain't got no paycheck coming, and you got felony charges.
You got anything on you that shouldn't be?
Please get in the vehicle. Watch your head. I'm gonna buckle you in. I'm gonna start it so she's got this going on.
Yeah, you got stuff on your hood there.
Got it. Thanks. Appreciate you helping out, Mitch. So,
I'll meet you back at the office. Her bag's in the front seat.
20
Good.
to dispatch.
We'll go through that stuff too.
yeah,
And take it all
put it
out.
into evidence and stuff.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. Let's see what she was charged with. Was she charged with anything? Hell nah. Thank you guys for tuning in. That's it, baby. We out.